start off with a figure. Now, obviously, this girl, if we put her on here, if she's in the front row, she's about 7 feet tall. And I haven't run into any 7-foot tall women, though probably there are some. But we're going to have to size her down. What we would do is with tracing paper, lay it over the top, tape it so it's in position, and then trace the outline of that figure. Spray a little bit of glue on the back, and we'll glue this down temporarily to the black construction paper. Now, before we do that, we take it down to the copier and make a second one. So we'll have two figures, one a little bit larger than the other. And then we'll cut through this with our X-Acto knife, so we cut completely through both tracing paper and the construction paper. And when I'm finished, I just peel off the construction paper, put a little bit more glue on there, and then place the figure on this grid we've done. Now,
didn't
yes?
you say the figure to begin with was too big?
It was.
So
what I would do with...
smaller one and then a medium smaller one?
Right. So we would scale that first before we put them in here. Now, you could have a large figure, very large actually. You could have one 11 inches tall, but it wouldn't fit in that room. So with 11 inch, and we're going down to, let's say it's a person that's 5 feet 5 inches tall, then we would reduce that to 50%, right? Half of 11 would be 5.5. So we do it on the copier, and you and I will walk down to the copier, and I'll show you how it's done. One of the things that if you're going to do illustration at all, you're going to get used to making enlargements and reductions. Posted that also on eLearn. The formula for doing this, it's a simple thing. Divide, right? Just two numbers. Half of $1 is 50 cents, and there's two of them, right? So if we wanted to find out how many 50-cent pieces there are in a dollar, we would divide 50 by 10 by, or $1 by 50, and there's two, right? So that's a simple formula. I'll show you that. It's posted, like I say, it's posted on eLearn for you. All right, questions, comments, or epithets? It's going to look like this when we're done. And again, your title is 1.5 inches from the bottom, 1/4 inch block letters. It should say for one point, not on point, 1 point perspective. All right, questions, comments, or epithets? I'll put up on the screen here now. You can